Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do keto Instant Pot recipes. How I do fresh chicken in the Instant Pot and frozen chicken in the Instant Pot while still having a cheap keto meal. Coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost 67 pounds through keto, through intermittent fasting. I am the queen of lazy keto, and on today's episode we're going to do keto chicken recipes, how I use my Instant Pot for a frozen chicken and a fresh chicken to make cheap keto meals and keto on a budget. Y'all know that lazy keto and easy keto is my jam, so let me show you how, and I'll dive into the content. But first, give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe and put down in the comments Instant Pot keto if you want to see more videos just like this one. Now on to the content. A couple of prep items. I love getting my chickens from Costco. These are the organic young chickens. It's 20 bucks basically for two, so each chicken is 10 bucks. Making this two separate meals for 10 bucks, it's really like 5 bucks per meal, and we have 3 people in our family. This is a great deal on these. The next thing that I love to use is I just bought these Instant Pot accessories. I will put them in the description link below because it has so many different configurations you can use. But this egg boiler I'm going to use as my, excuse the background, I live in real life by the way, Sesame Street Chef. I'm going to use this as my trivet for where the chicken's going to go on top of. My Instant Pot did come with this, but this does not fit in there to fit a whole chicken, which is kind of frustrating, which is why I bought this one, because the chicken will fit in there with this egg trivet. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken now and show you how to do that. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of everything. 2 teaspoons, we're gonna do full teaspoons of the pink salt.
Oopsie, I'll put that.
So I'm gonna coat now with my oil and put my spices on top on this side, flip it, put it on the other side, and then put it into my trivet. Here's the seasoning mix that I use, and I'm going to use, I have hemp seed oil, but you could use olive oil, you could use any sort of oil you have to coat the chicken and then let your spices stick onto them on both sides and putting it breast side down. You want the bosoms down in the trivet. I do also add 1 3/4 cup of water into my Instant Pot before my trivet goes down and before my chicken goes on top. And before putting my chicken in, I did add 1. So now I have set this to 35 minutes on manual. Applesauce wants to help join in while she's licking her water. Excuse again, real life, Sesame Street Chef. So 35 minutes on manual, the high pressure temperature, 35 minutes, and that's for a 5-pound chicken. For a fresh chicken, I'm going to put the Instant Pot onto manual. I'm going to crank it up to high pressure and put it on there for 35 minutes with a cup of water with the chicken on top of the trivet, and I'll put the trivet link down in the description link below if you'd like that too. Applesauce wanted to help. So it's 30, I have a 5-pound chicken. It's fresh, it's not frozen. I'm gonna be showing you also my frozen chicken. This is a great lazy keto meal and an easy keto meal because you can do it fresh or frozen. Fresh, I have a 5-pound chicken, which that is going to matter for your time. I'm doing 35 minutes manual with the high pressure cook on the highest link there. I have already put my cup of water, 1 3/4 cup of water in, and then now I've already done my spices and seasonings. So I'm just gonna put my lid on. And we're at the end gonna do the natural release also. So I'm gonna get this locked in. So I've made sure that it's locked. I'm also gonna make sure that the release button's all set, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and get her going with our 35 minutes and the high pressure temp. So if you're freaked out about the steam coming out, I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but there's steam coming out of the nozzle even though it's on lock. That's totally normal as it gets prepped for the Instant Pot to get started. So we just had the alarm go off on it. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and let it do natural release. So I'm not messing with the quick release on there. I'm just gonna let it naturally sit in there for another 15 minutes now that it's been cooked. So we've let it do 15 minutes of natural release. Now I'm gonna just open it before I open the actual pot. It's totally good with natural release. And there we go. I'm gonna click it. And there's my beautiful chicken. And this is the amazing Costco keto chicken. I mean, look at that. Look how delicious that is. That is perfect. My chicken came out. I'm just gonna go ahead and start picking the meat off and putting it in here. When I pick the chicken, the dogs always come over because they know. So as I'm picking it, I'm picking big pieces so we can have these as like dips for my 3-year-old. And then I also have thinner pieces in here that I'm gonna use for my chicken salad, my keto chicken salad meal. But I have this makes for a great keto meal because you can have it as dips, chicken salad or use it a bunch of ways. So I'm gonna keep picking off my meat, putting it in here. I do like picking it off when it's pretty hot, so it picks off a little bit easier than if I say dumped it in the refrigerator, which I have done because I've gotten busy with a toddler. It's much easier when it's hot and just putting it into a bowl that you can use and sort from later. So I'm just gonna take my chicken stock that I have, and I'm going to use this for later and just drain it. And I think I didn't get in a big enough bowl. Whoops. And there we go. And I'm going to use this for other soups or other crock pot keto dishes that I have in keto meals. This will be an awesome, awesome, awesome stock for later. And this is the best lazy keto meal, a cheap keto meal, and for keto on a budget, right? Like, look how many servings that is for $10 for an organic chicken. Friends, this is an organic chicken. This is not a regular chicken, an organic Costco keto chicken. I just love Costco and their keto food because literally this is going to serve a nice couple of days worth of food, and I can use this for other meals too. In my crock pot, I will use the chicken stock. If you have a frozen chicken, and for this cheap keto meal, what I do is I buy them from Costco. I will pull it out frozen, put it onto the trivet, of course put the water already in, the one and 3/4 cup of water in the Instapot, then put the trivet on, which I'll put in the description link below if you'd like to get one of those keto pot, well, it's not a keto pot, it's an Instapot accessory. Then I put the trivet down, then I put the frozen chicken down. That frozen chicken already has the olive oil with my rub seasoning on it, which I will put in the description link below too. I will put the manual setting on, crank it up to high pressure, and then cook it for 65 minutes. I make sure that I use, I don't release the valve on it. I let it do natural release pressure for about 15 minutes, then I take the lid off and voila! Hey guys, if you're loving this video, give it a big old thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe. Now back to the content. Put down in the comments below, Keto Instapot, if you love this video. So this chicken is also frozen. This is another one of my Costco keto hauls. And again, if you want that free Costco keto printable of what I get for my keto shopping list, I will put that in the description link below. But another great cheap keto meal is freezing things. So this is completely frozen. I'm gonna get it out. Same thing, same prep with the rub and with the olive oil or the hemp seed oil, and then get it into my Instapot. So same exact instructions for the frozen chicken of having 1 3/4 cup of water on there, having a trivet down in there, using your olive oil or your rub on it, and then putting the seasonings for the chicken rub on top of it, putting it breast side down. The bosoms like to be at the bottom of the pan. And so I'm gonna go ahead and set this for 65 on high pressure, manual, 65 for high pressure. I will do the natural release for 15 minutes after it cooks. This will also be in the description link below, the instructions if you are a visual learner and not an auditory learner. So it's now set for 65 minutes on manual pressure, high temp. I always double check to make sure my lock is set. I make sure that this is closed to make sure I don't blow myself up. But this is another great lazy keto and easy keto meal using a frozen chicken, which is probably the best way I like to do meal prep. Okay, so here's the frozen chicken coming out. Voila! Just like the other one, it is perfect. You can do it either way for a lazy keto meal, an easy keto meal, and keto on budget. Look at that delicious chicken. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna start picking the meat off of it and getting the chicken stock ready. The dogs will come over when you start doing your chicken though. They absolutely will be your companions while you're making food. So here's the frozen chicken that I picked clean for my lazy keto meal. What a great keto on a budget meal. This is all the chicken I've picked off of that. Applesauce is loving it. And then I'm simply gonna drain the chicken stock in here into there and get my chicken stock all set up too. And here is my chicken stock that now is perfect, that I can use for other casseroles, soups, and other deliciousness. So here's an example of tonight's dinner using the pulled chicken. I literally just made my buffalo dip, which I'll do in a different video. The recipe is super simple. It's just hot sauce, mayonnaise, cream cheese mixed together with the pulled chicken, and you can use dips with the green pepper, or you can put it on a bed of spinach, or you could put it in a romaine lettuce wrap. There's lots of different ways. This is my little boy's meal. You can do lots of different things with this food. And my husband also likes to have his on an my keto bagel recipe too, and that's another option. And I will link below my keto bagel recipe as well. Put down in the comments below, Keto Instapot, if you love this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe. Have you signed up for my free weekly Wednesday keto meal plan? It's free, hello, why would you not? And also my Costco keto shopping list, totally free. I will put both of those down in the description link below. They are my gift to you, as is in the description link how you cook if you need visual directions of how I cooked my keto, my lazy keto meal today, and my keto on a budget. We love cheap keto meals here. We love them. And check out my other series on cheap keto meals down in the description link below. Make it a powerful day, guys. Bye.